I think the next wart is the one on his face.
Yeah.
To fall off.
Hey.
You gotta worry about.
Boy.
And he's wrapped himself around this pole here. Trying to get him to unwrap.
Oh.
He does look like an elk.
He looks like he wants to run your ass over.
So now I got a predicament. The mama cow of Ernie, the one that had screwworms in the top of his neck, or maybe it was the bottom. I think the top. Is over there, and we need to get her over here. That's the day after. We got the screwworms out of both their necks. I'm gonna see what they look like. Spray them with separate cord.
All right. Will you put that blue bar
Yep.
in the top there?
Yep. There we go. Wow.
I'm down, bud. Hey.
Okay, so this guy had it on the bottom of his neck. He's the one that had screwworms in his penis, what, 2 weeks ago, 3 weeks ago?
I don't know, close to a month.
It's all muddy.
Oh, yeah. He's gonna be real muddy. Probably gotta get him out of here.
That real big flat laying down is where he had some. Good thing is I don't see blood, so.
The mud might actually work as a...
Yeah, salve.
Yeah.
Kinda.
As long as they're out of it. Hey. I'm down, bud. Hey.
Yeah, I can see like a little skin flap from that hole he had, but it definitely looks smaller than yesterday. Yeah, see that? You can see a little red right there, and that's exactly where he had his screwworms, but it's a whole lot smaller than yesterday. And it may be all closed up.
Yeah,
but
it's closed up. I didn't get a very good look, but I got a look.
Yeah.
I'm gonna jump over that.
It looked closed up. It just looked like the flesh was hanging out, you know?
Whoa. You want to go back? Backwards?
Ho.
Go. It's not very tall.
Oh.
Okay, buddy.
Oh.
We need to get so closer. See if I can move this.
Okay.
Oh. Put them right there.
Yep. It's being real good today.
Hey. Yeah, we got all the worms out.
Nice.
I think we only had one worm.
Oh yeah, and him, yeah. Like maybe like 5 to 10 in the other.
Hey, buddy, we do this, you go outside. We do this, you go outside. You try on that side.
Now I can see even more like flesh hanging out that hole.
Yeah, that's good though.
I wonder if that's like the blood clot.
Yeah, it's clotting up. It's cauterizing.
It's all good, buddy. I think the next wart is the one on his face.
Yeah.
To fall off.
Hey.
You gotta worry about. Nice.
Atta boy.
And he's wrapped himself around this pole here. Trying to get him to unwrap.
Oh.
He does look like an elk.
He looks like he wants to run your ass over.
The top of his neck, just a small, tiny little dot now. I guess it was kind of like that yesterday, but it definitely looks closed up or healing.
Yeah, it's healing. Give him a second, give him a second.
That's probably what, 12-ish hours ago?
Yep.
12 to 15 hours.
Wait till this one comes back around.
Yep.
Alright, here we go. He's gonna go back over there now. It's
Screwworms.
easy to tell because it closes up right away.
Yeah. All right, so now we're taking out the bulls. They have the screwworms in their necks. Taking them out to be with their mothers are out here in the pasture. Got a little walk. We kind of like go through another pasture and come out on the end of the pasture right here. Let them in there. I definitely want to get out there. They know to stop right here because here's the gate on the right side. I'm going to open up for them. They're going to go through this pasture to the end. The back gate of this pasture. I'm opening up that. And it'll let them right in there with their mothers. This way. Hey, this way. They'll come back. Well, finally got them close to this back gate now. Here's all the other cows in this pasture. They ate down a lot of the weeds. We'll see more when I go over there, but it's beautiful back here. About to open up this gate for them when I'm in here with them. I'll come back out tomorrow, check on them, spray them. I believe this is their mother. Now, I thought we got both these at auction, but apparently we didn't. So now I got a predicament. The mama cow of Ernie, the one that had screwworms in the top of his neck, or maybe it was the bottom. I think the top. Is over there, and we need to get her over here. So I'm gonna try to get back the cows, and then leave the gate wide open, and then come around behind her. But hopefully, these cows don't come through. I don't have Corey to help me over here. Oh, let's go. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, get back. Get back. Get back. Oh, ho. Oh. Ho, ho. Just gonna set this here. Oh. 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 Oh! Oh! You gotta get them far enough away so that they don't come back to the gate when I open it. Oh! 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 Now hopefully they just follow him, the bull, on down that way. And don't pay any attention to me opening up this gate. I try to only open it up about halfway. Oh, let's go. Let's go. Oh. Don't step on it. Alright. Well, at least they didn't get their foot caught. I guess I should open it up to all the way. Well, I guess that was a slow success. Yeah, there's Ernie. He had screwworms on the top of his neck. Oh, ho. They've eaten down a lot of these weeds. They've eaten down a lot of these weeds.
Oh, yeah. I already went out. Yeah, they eat it down.
I almost took the calves because when you say cows, I think female cows, and then technically the Angus is their mother. And I thought we bought both those at the auction. I didn't know Ernie had a mother here.
Yeah, that's his mama. Adopted mama. It's all good, man.
It's a beautiful day out.
Yeah, it's beautiful. This is my favorite time of year. This is normally what it's like in June.
Wow.
When you first got here. This is what it should have been like this whole time. June, July, August, every day like this. And then it rains in the afternoon.
Yeah, the pregnant one's under the tree over there.
Yeah, they're dairy cows, so they don't like the sun. You can see the difference.
Yeah.
When it's hot out and like this, all these cows are all white and all eaten.
Yeah.
Those other cows are in the shade. When it's raining, all those cows are in the shade and those other cows are out. They like the water.
Is the gear in the shade too? I don't
Probably
see her.
right now. Yeah, she's over there.
But they don't like the sun as much either?
Yeah, they do.
Because they're from India?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's
They're
probably...
from tropical climate. That's why they do better here as a dairy cow
Yeah.
than Jerseys. Jerseys do great here, but not here. They do great up there. Just like half an hour away.
Yeah, I'll never buy Jersey or Holstein
Up
here.
there, it rains all year round and it's like 10 degrees, 20 degrees cooler all the time. And it's windier. You'll see a bunch of wind farms up there. But they can grow grass all year round. So they use chemicals all year round, all the time. All the grass is all green. Nice. Shouldn't have came through here.
Yeah, I got that shed over there.
All right, that's good. You got that one, yeah?
Yeah.
Good.
I should have opened it before I took them down there because they went all the way to the end.
Yeah, I was thinking they're gonna do that if it wasn't open.
Yeah.
Because they're gonna probably run past you.
Yep. Well, yeah,
Just
they
to get
did.
back with the mama.
Yep.
But I knew that they were gonna go that. They're gonna go that way. They're gonna go look for those cows.
This pasture still is not growing that much.
I think it's too much water.
Huh.
I don't know. It's not. There's too much water. It's for this grass. This type of grass.
Yeah.
I think.
I wonder what type it's called. I know
It's called Arlington
Arlington,
or Anglington.
Anglington.
It's hard. Yeah.
There's one in America called Augustifolia,
Oh yeah, that's real good.
and it looks
That's
similar.
what you make like hay. Yeah, this is like that. It's like prairie hay kind of.
Oh yeah.
This is like a prairie grass. But it just takes over. So what can you do?
Yeah.
I had other grass planted here, and this took over that grass, and then the weeds took over everything. So hard. But it's growing slowly.
Yep.